In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an invoice in Zoho Books. Managing invoices efficiently is crucial for maintaining accurate records and ensuring smooth financial operations in your business. Whether due to errors, duplicates, or other reasons, you may find yourself needing to remove an invoice from your records. Let's walk through these straightforward steps together to help keep your accounting organized and up to date. First, let's start by accessing your Zoho Books account and navigating to the main dashboard. This is the central hub where you can monitor and manage various aspects of your financial data. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, look to the left-hand side to locate and click on the Sales tab. The Sales section is where you manage everything related to your sales transactions, including quotes, invoices, and payments. Now the focus is on invoices, so click on the Invoices option presented under the Sales heading. This will bring up a comprehensive list of all the invoices recorded in your system. These invoices are typically listed by status, with the most recent ones appearing at the top. Scroll through the list to locate the specific invoice that you need to delete. Take some time to ensure you're selecting the correct invoice, as this deletion will permanently remove it from your records. Once you've found the invoice, you'll notice a checkbox beside it. Click on this checkbox to select the invoice for deletion. After selecting the invoice, your next step is to direct your attention to the action buttons that appear after highlighting the invoice. Look for the Delete button, which is often showcased with a trash bin icon for easy identification. Click on the Delete button to initiate the removal process. This may prompt a pop-up window to confirm your action, which is a safeguard to ensure you truly intend to delete this invoice. In this confirmation pop-up, click OK to proceed. Confirming this action will finalize the deletion, and the invoice will be permanently removed from your Zoho Books system. It's always a good idea to double-check your decision, as deleted invoices are typically irreversible unless specific recovery measures are in place. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted an invoice in Zoho Books, keeping your financial records neat and uncluttered. Remember, managing your invoices effectively is key to maintaining an organized financial workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out with any questions you might have, or if there are any other topics you'd like us to cover. Keep your business thriving.